Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zain Murtaza and I am from Pamir private school. Due to coronavirus situation, our school has arranged classes for our students. So let's start. Our today topic is from chapter number 5, 9th class computer science book. As you can see, the topic is types of networks. So as you know that there are 4 types of network. First one is local area network, that is called LAN, and second one is wide area network, that is called WAN, and the third one is metropolitan area network, that is called MAN, and then after that personal area network, that is called PAN. So we will discuss each and every in very detail. So let's start. First of all, we can see that local area network, as from the word local we can identify that local means small. So it is a network that is designed for very small area, means like office, for building, for a computer lab. So we can say that examples of LANs can include a school, means if you have a computer lab in school, you can use LAN, and then in a building, in an office. Okay, so this is LAN. LAN is basically most common used. This is the most common used local area network, that is called LAN. So this is the diagram of LAN. You can see there are 6 and 5 PCs, then there is a switch, and then there is a server. So basically when we have created a network in a lab or in an office, we use LAN diagram. So let's see how many characteristics are there. The LAN is restricted to a limited area. So we can say that LAN is restricted to a limited geographical area. So as you can see that there is the second one and the most important issue, we can say that here is data transmission speed. The data transmission speed is very fast because there is less complexity, the computers are less, so we can say that that's why the transmission speed is very fast. Next, data communication problem rarely occurs. As you know that the computers are less, the system are less, so we can say that there are less chances that there is a problem in a system. So next big thing is that transmission medium, you can use any medium you want, that is owned by the organization or the user. The second network type is wide area network, we can call WAN. WAN basically covers large area. It connects cities, countries and continents together. And we can often say that WAN is basically made up of 2 LANs, or we can say 1 or 2 LANs or more LANs. Examples of WAN, you can see airlines use WAN, school system and the banks, and the database system that is called Nadra in Pakistan, they use WAN. The very best example of WAN is internet. I mean the internet we are using, it is an example of WAN. Moving on, this is the diagram of the WAN. You can see there is one LAN, there is a server, there are some computer station, then there is other LAN, that's computer and server. So you can say that 3 LANs are connected, so 3 LANs connecting each other, making a WAN. Okay, so what are the characteristics of the WAN? The first one and the main characteristic is that it covers large area. It covers cities, countries, and we can say continents together. The second, as you know, the network is complex. It means it covers cities and countries. That's why the data transmission speed is very low. Slow, or we can say data transmission speed is low. Data communication problem can occur. When we have more computers, we have more networks, so we can say that data communication problem can occur frequently. Second, the medium is the public medium, the public system medium. That means that there can be telephone line or satellite links. So WAN basically covers large area, but it has some problem like data communication speed is low, and data communication problem can occur really. The third one is metropolitan area network. From the word metro, you can say that it is designed for a city. So we can say that metropolitan area network falls between LAN and WAN. It means that it covers large area than LAN, but it covers small area, we can say the less area than WAN. And we can see that the examples of metropolitan area networks are telecommunication companies like cable TV and the internet services you are using. They are example of metropolitan area network. Let's move on. As you can see that In a city, there are 3 houses, there are 3 stations, they are using a LAN network, and if you combine all this, you will create a MAN. So we can say that the network services within a city is an example of MAN. Moving on, as you can say that there are some characteristics of MAN. The first one is it connects computers, it connects many computers over any buildings in a city. So MAN network is for a city. As the data transmission speed is slower than LAN, but it is greater than WAN. As you can say that WAN covers large area, that's why its speed is slower, and LAN covers less area, that's why its speed is fast. But MAN falls in between them. That's why MAN's speed is greater than WAN but smaller than LAN. And the medium they use, mostly they use fiber optic cable, and microwave transmission is used for MAN. Moving on, the last PAN. PAN is basically personal area network. PAN is a network that is organized around a person. For example, if I am using anything and I want to share some files, some videos, so I will create a PAN. So in PAN, basically, there you have to get a mobile or a computer or a tablet, whatever you have, then you can create your own network. The best example of PAN we can say is Bluetooth technology. For example, if I want to send something to another person, we connect through Bluetooth, we share connection, and then we can share files, videos, and etc. many things. Another example of PAN could be hotspot sharing. For example, if I have internet connection and my friend asks for me that give me internet, so I will share a hotspot connection with him. That is also an example of PAN. So in the last, we have discussed all these things. Local area networks mean this is designed for local area, small area, its speed is fast, problem rarely occurs. Then comes to wide area networks, means it's cover large area, that's why its speed is slow and the problem occurs more frequently. In the last, we have got Metropolitan area network that covers area between LAN and WAN. It is faster than WAN but less fast than LAN. In the end, we got personal area network. There is no concern of speed because the person is sitting next to us. So we can say that personal area network is designed around a person. The example are Bluetooth technology and hotspot sharing. Thank you. That's all. Allah Hafiz.